Welcome back to Lyra and Lyra Fashions. It's been a long time since we have made a video. So now it's cooking time. Today we are going to make Kabul Chicken Pulao.
Here are the ingredients. 1 kg thoroughly cleansed chicken, green peas, 7 sliced onions, 2 cups of rice, washed and soaked for 30 minutes, 1 handful of garlic, 7 green cardamoms, jeera, sajeera, 6 bay leaves, pepper pods, 5 cloves, star anise and magic cubes.
Once the pan is heated up, we will add 4 tablespoons of oil, 3 teaspoons of ghee.
As the oil is heated up, add the sliced onions. The onions until they are soft and light brown in color.
Now we will add 1 kg chicken. Now we will add 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt as per your taste. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of turmeric.
Now we will make a magic bag filled with whole spices. Now the magic bag is ready.
Now we will boil 1.5 liters of water, which will be added later on to the pulao. Now we will add the boiled water.
Now let's add the magic cubes and some green peas. Now let's add the magic bag which brings the flavor. Yes! Close the lid and let it cook for 30 minutes on low flame.
Now we'll add the basmati rice, which was soaked in water. Close the lid and let it cook for another 20 minutes on low flame.
Let's check if the Kabul Chicken Pulao is ready. Time to taste it. We love to eat it with mayonnaise and it's a perfect combination.